about the Tommy Hilfiger, the well-known brand in the market for styling or for the latest trend, even the different colors they are offering you, and some of the discounts as well. Yes, so let's talk about the Tommy Hilfiger. Tommy Hilfiger is known for classic all-American style that models pop culture and the preppy East Coast lifestyle. Raised in Elmira, New York, the second of nine children, he opened a clothing store with $150 in 1969 while still in high school. Hilfiger launched his namesake fashion label in 1985, and the brand quickly expanded to include women's wear, Hilfiger denim, kids wear, accessories, fragrances, and homeware. In the 1990, he was one of the most first designer to blend fashion and celebrity, sponsoring tour for rock legends such as the Rolling Stones and featuring musicians such as Lenny Kravitz, David Bowie, and Beyonce in his iconic advertising campaign. In 2012, the Council of Fashion Designers of America honored him with the Groffy Beanie Lifetime Achievement Award. So, the while Hilfiger's earliest design drew on 1960s country culture and fashion, since the 1980s, high design typically draw from classic American New England styles. His initial lines for the Tommy Hilfiger Corporation were primarily designed to appeal to young men looking for designer clothing, and Tommy Hilfiger became one of the most prominent brand in 1990s sportswear with Polo, Ralph Lauren, Calvin Klein, Nautica, and DKNY and Donna Karan also popular at that time. Each of these companies created distinctive wardrobe based upon style but wearable, comfortable, and interchangeable multi-purpose clothes, all with the focus of luxury. Hip hop fashion at large began incorporating the Hilfiger brand in the 1990s, and when Snoop Dogg wore a Hilfiger sweatshirt during an appearance on Saturday Night Live, it sold out of New York City stores the next day. Moreover, Hilfiger courted the new hip hop market, and rappers like Puffy and Coolio walks during his runaway shows. Specific items like Tommy Hilfiger Carpenter jeans become particularly popular with the trademark logo displayed on the hammer loop. Hilfiger continues to maintain multiple fashion lines, some focused on wearable casual clothes, while others take on various hot couture commissions. Aside from the preppy style of his youth, Hilfiger has also always been influenced by the style of a wide variety of American icons, including Grace Kelly, James Dean, Deborah Harry, Iggy Pop, Farrah Fawcett, Steve McQueen, Jackie, and John F. Kennedy, and Andy Warhol. Many of his designers drew prominently from the style of hard rock and the pop style music industry. So these are the things I personally suggest you about the Tommy Hilfiger.